Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, August the 16th. My name is Mitchell, I'm a manager here at Footwear Fabric Studio.
And I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
This is a little series where we like to show you the Friday newsletter that we send out and go over it and actually go out in the warehouse and show you hands-on everything that we have that is shown in this newsletter. So without further ado, let's get right into this week.
So of course, we're gonna start it out with the Friday bundle of the week, which is indeed the Check It Out Fat Quarter Bundle. It has colors of green, red, white, and black with patterns of plaid, check, and gingham. So make sure you go check out the Check It Out Fat Quarter Bundle.
Next up, we have Copper Mountain Batiks from Wilmington. We have the full yard collection. We also have fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, and the Copper Mountain Quilt Kit. Ooh. So with this, you can expect patterns such as leaves and petals and paisleys, cheetahs, maybe some daisies and dots in there. And the colors in this group seem to be more of cream, some blue, some green, oranges, and then a couple different browns of like tans and reds. Make sure to go check out Copper Mountain Batiks from Wilmington.
Next, we have a collection from Riley Blake, which is Christmas Wishes Nativity. We have the full collection of yardage, the 36-inch Nativity panels, along with the Holy Night quilt kits. It comes in colors of navy, gold, blue, cream, and green. And the patterns are a panel, which is again depicting the birth of Jesus, Celestial Starry Night, and Christmas stories. So make sure you go look at Christmas Wishes Nativity from Riley Blake.
Next up, we have our new mystery quilt along kit. This one is Christmas based. It is going to be called Fur the Moment. F-I-R, you know, like a tree.
Part.
What?
You said moment. It was so good too. It was a really good start.
I know, I was doing well.
Meow.
I'll water again. Next up, we have our new mystery quilt along kit. This one is Christmas based. It is going to be called For the Most Part. This one will be starting next Monday, August the 19th, and will proceed for 5 weeks until it will be completed. If you purchase this kit with us, you will be getting the patterns emailed to you every week. So every new block that you're making, we also will be selling the patterns on their own. So if you don't want to buy the whole kit with us and use the exact fabric that we are, you can still purchase the pattern. You will still get that sent to you every week. We also have our Facebook group. If you are interested, this is going to be a perfect spot if this is your first time quilting with us, or if you're a beginner quilter or anything and you're going to be doing this kit with us. Our Facebook group is called Footwear Fabric Sewing Room, so make sure to go check out that Facebook group. There will also be YouTube tutorials going along with this mystery quilt kit. So if you're interested in this quilt along with us, make sure to go check out the For the Most Part quilt along kit.
The next collection we have for y'all is Backyard Bug Collector from Northcott, which is also by Deborah Edwards. We have the full collection of yardage and also the Looking at You quilt kits. This collection has patterns of bugs, jars, magnifying glasses, bug names, dots, and stripes, and the colors of turquoise, olive, cream, green, yellow, orange, and navy. So again, get ready to explore with Backyard Bug Collector from Northcott.
Next, we have a sale on our Ocean Breeze quilt kit. This kit is regularly priced at $103.96, but it is now on sale for $69.96.
Wow.
So if you're interested in this kit, make sure to go check them out while supplies last.
Next, we have a new, very interesting kit for y'all, which is the Candy Cane Santa's Felt Ornaments. So for Christmas time, some ornaments you can make. These are handmade stitchery projects that feature felt and are a fun, versatile fabric. As a set of 6, each ornament will measure about 3.5 inches by 5 inches. These kits include the stamped felt, cotton floss, and color separated sequins and heads, embroidery needles, and simple to follow instructions. So if you're interested in these cool kit ornaments, make sure to felt the holiday magic with our Candy Cane Santa felt ornaments.
Next up, we have Still Waters from Northcott. With this, we have the full yard collection. We also have 30-inch panels. We also have the Loons and a Lily Pond quilt kit to go with that. Patterns in this collection involve things like loons on there. You have some lily pads, some water, some sand looking scenes. Colors in this group consist of the blues, greens, and tans. So if you're interested in any loons, some water, some lily pads or anything, make sure to go let your creativity take flight with Still Waters from Northcott.
Another new thing we have for y'all is the newest release, which is the August release of the Via Rosa patterns. We have Miss Josie, we Dangle, Drizzle, Paint Chips, Sorona, and Just One Slice, Snack Mat, So a whole lot going on in that. Woo! They are $2 each. We also have the PDF for all of them. So make sure to create your next masterpiece with the Via Rosa patterns.
Next up, we have our August bargains. This is just our collections of all of our remnants, one piece lefts, some notions. You know, it could really be anything in there. Just all of our sale items, we put them into the August bargains. This is a list that is updated daily. So what you may see in there right now may not be the same tomorrow, may not be the same in an hour, who knows? So make sure to go check out our August bargains and you might find what you like.
So next we have the comment of the week, which is this is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. We pull the comment from either YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. So make sure you go put a comment down in one of those. Maybe you can be the next comment of the week. This week's comment of the week is from YouTube. It is from Kathy Seacrest 3813, and she says, love this idea of showing the fabrics. Does the mystery kit have any applique? So I will say, with the first thing you said, this is why we do this. We love showing off the newsletter to everybody. I know y'all enjoy it as well, being able to just talk about it with somebody else or hear us talk about it. And then also, does the mystery kit have any applique? It does not. It is pieced fabric put together. There is no applique in the mystery kit. Thank you, Kathy, for your comment of the week. And like I said, make sure you go put a comment down there. Maybe you can be the next comment of the week.
And that's going to do it this week for this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. I want to thank y'all all for coming and checking it out. If you enjoyed it, make sure to go hit that like button. You also have the subscribe button with a bell next to it so you can get notified when we upload again. You can also put a comment down below, as we were just saying. So if you want to be highlighted in next week's episode, make sure to go follow us on all of our socials, on our YouTube, on our Instagram, on our TikTok, on our Facebook. Those will all be linked down in the description below. That's going to do it this week. Thank you all once again for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Peace.